right, boys and girls and families, it is math time, and I gotta say, I'm very proud of some of the drawings that you've sent in to me. I'm just loving seeing what you're doing with the shapes, and I'm very proud of you for remembering the shapes too. These are not easy, and you kids are pulling it off, and I'm very, very proud of you. So I thought we'd just review, first of all, the shapes that we've looked at so far this week, and we will do the octagon today. So this week we've reviewed this shape and the one where all four sides are the same and all the corners are the same is a square. And then the one that's perfectly round is a circle that we spell with a C for some reason. I don't know why. Circle. And then we have the strongest shape, which is, that's why they build bridges with this shape a lot, and that is a triangle. And the last one, the last of the simple ones at least, is a rectangle. Okay, and on a rectangle, these two sides are the same, these two sides are the same, and all the corners are called right angles, which is kind of fancy, but it just means all the corners are the same. Triangle, 3 sides, circle, no sides, okay? And then we also, which is the one about the story with the boy with the pen, and he lost his pen and he said, "Oh no, my pentagon." Pentagon, and it is 5 sides. Okay, pen is half of 10. And then yesterday we did the one about the story about Rex and Hex, and this is it's 6 sides, and 6 means, or hex means 6, hexagon. And today we are doing octagon, okay? And I think you remember probably from when we were in school how many sides on an octagon, and think of octopus. That's the one I think of. And how many legs on an octopus? But 8. Okay, and drawing an octagon is a little bit tricky. So the way I like to do it is I like to do a little top, a little bottom, and then do a side and another side, but leave, you see the space I leave here? That's the way I find best to draw an octagon, and then you just join them all up, okay? So today I've been loving your trucks, and I think I saw a plow yesterday, and some of your vehicles you've been drawing, so well done. I just got back from mountain biking, so I am going to draw an octagon mountain bike, and I'm going to try to use as many shapes as I can on my bike. So I'm going to draw the top, the bottom, the 2 sides, join them up. I didn't do a very good job here, but that's okay. And I'm going to draw another octagon wheel. So top, bottom, side, side, join them up. And the strongest shapes are this one right here, triangles. So I'm going to draw some triangles. And here's another triangle. And then maybe I'll make my suspension, I'll make that a long skinny rectangle. Okay, and what should I do here? So I've done a couple rectangles, I need some circles. Oh, maybe I'll put some fancy brakes on my bicycle. Alright, so those will be the circles. And I don't have a square yet. Let's see. Maybe I'll give my bike some fancy suspension and I'll make it a square. And we'll do some more triangles. And maybe a long rectangle coming back here. Alright, we need to get a pentagon and a hexagon. This is getting tricky. Okay, so I'm going to do a pentagon seat post and then maybe a hexagon seat. That makes absolutely no sense, but we'll give it a try. That's okay. All right, and we need some handlebars still, and maybe I'll just do 2 triangles for that. 2 long, skinny triangles. All right, so there you go. So our shape of the day is octagon. I will make a little story about the octagon, and I think you kids know that. And our last shape that we'll do tomorrow is the trapezoid. And you remember from school the story of trapezoid. So good luck. Have some fun with it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for all your hard work. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.